It's actually really good. It's a guava like flavor, which is actually quite new to us, and the taste is like really fresh, and I would say like sweet. It makes you like enjoy the fruit like while having the juice. So yeah, I think it's a great company from Pakistan. I love it. I love the taste. So yeah, thank you.
This is Fruit Nation Barrier. I come from China, and this is the first time to drink this. It's very delicious and amazing.
MashaAllah, this is very good fruit. I hope it's fresh. All enjoy. Enjoy. Thank you.
Hi there, I'm Sima from Iran, and I taste this one. It's guava, and the taste is really sweet and soft. It's a new one that I never ever tasted till now, and I recommend it to you friends. Have a good day.